Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, open recorder. Then click allow and tap on the red button to start your recording. You can end it the same way. Now tap on the right button to name your recording and save it. Tap OK. Click on the right button again, and as you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wanna delete it, tap on it, hold, and choose the bin icon. Then click delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!